Hello, ma'am. Which editorial should I check out today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today. It is about Article 6. So come, let's have a look.
Now, the editorial is why Article 6 is a powerful tool for India. See, the article explains why Article 6 of the Paris Climate Agreement, PCA, is very important for India. Think of Article 6 like a global marketplace for pollution control. Countries that reduce pollution more than required can sell carbon credits to countries that are polluting more. So, money flows into the country that is doing good work for environment. India has officially joined system in 2025. So it can start earning money by cutting the pollution. Now, why is this good for India? See, India needs money and technology to fight climate change. Through Article 6, India can, number one, gain foreign money, climate finance, two, get new green technology, three, get global partnerships. India plans to earn carbon credits from things like solar and wind power, green hydrogen, energy saving machines, electric vehicles, carbon capture, biogas, cleaner steel and cement. These projects reduce pollution, so foreign countries will pay India for them. So why is it powerful? See, because instead of only depending on government funds, India can now earn money by being green, grow industries using clean energy, create jobs in clean technology, reduce coal dependence, and so fighting this climate change also helps India become richer and more advanced. Now, Article 6 turns climate protection into a business opportunity for India. Now, let us have a look at it. So, Article 6A say of the Paris Agreement were made fully operational at COP29. According to the AC implementation partnerships, there are 89 cooperation arrangements made under Article 6.2 across 58 parties, reflecting the growing momentum and acceleration of bilateral and plurilateral carbon markets collaboration. The adoption of the Paris Agreement crediting mechanism, Article 6.4 at COP29 marked a milestone in the transition of the clean development mechanism. Now let us have a look at why it is important for UPSC examination. So this is highly relevant for GS paper 2, which is international relations. Then we have GS paper 3, environment and economy, and GS paper 3 again, internal economy, green growth, technology transfer, investment through carbon trading.
And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.